Hi. The video gets better, but y'all know today is a self-care day with my clay mask, but it gets better. I'll catch you back in a minute. Happy Saturday, everyone. Hope everybody is having an amazing day. So here I'm just peeling off my Freeman Clarifying Peel Off Clay Mask. I usually do this maybe once a week. I'm starting to run out of it, but it's okay. I'm trying to get down back to the bare minimum of things. So typically, I don't really put too much on my face, as you guys know. So I still have the other thing of serum that I will be opening because the serum that I'm about to apply to my face, you guys will see that it's almost gone, and that's okay. I'm going to start something new, which is part of the same brand or line, but it's more of a collagen based more than it would be a vitamin C. So guys, I always tend to wash my face and I always forget. I actually check on the sides, but it's typically always some left on my face. So here is the vitamin E that I end up putting in this glass bottle that I was able to repurpose from one of those glass bottles of glass cleaner, I think it was. So yeah, I have still here a half or maybe 3/4, or maybe it's left. No, it might be 75% left, but this is what I'm talking about here. I'm gonna have a new one pretty soon because we're almost done with this pretty soon. So yeah, guys, just hang out with me today. Today is gonna just be a typical day in the life. Just get up, do what you gotta do, and I'm just bringing y'all along this typical day. So please don't get bored. Hang in there with me. I think you guys will enjoy. There's a little humor in it, you know. Yeah, and let me know at the end what you guys think, okay? So there's my son, came to stop and sit with me for a little while. So that was really nice. Yeah, I'll see you on the other side. The weather has changed, so it's time for a change for the bedding. You guys know I have these, and I pull these out usually in fall or autumn, and I like to have a good time doing it. All right? How many of y'all like peace? Like sometimes I just sit back and I be like, do I really want someone to invade my space anymore? Oh my goodness. I love what I do. I love where I'm at in my life. It's just, I can't even explain the tranquility of peace that it brings. You don't have to argue with nobody. You don't have to go back and forth with nobody. It's just you, and it's just you and the Most High. And you appreciate everything. Even the bad, the good, the bad, and the ugly. You just appreciate it, you know? So guys, I'm still minimizing. Here's a new light plate on here. It matches like the gold handles of the hardware on the cabinets. So this is where I put the napkin holder because I just came to fruition that I don't want anything on this island space. Okay guys, we're back for a second and then we're gonna get into it. Somebody asked me a question about that minimalism. We're gonna talk about it, but I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all see it, right? Doesn't it look nice in here? That look real nice. Right there. And then over here, this is what I did. I put that up there. Y'all remember that? And then that's what the shelf is looking. And then I still have to go over this a little bit, but doesn't that look better that way? So we're going to go ahead and go for a little ride and we're going to talk about minimalism. All right? Hey, y'all. How y'all doing? Ooh. What is minimalism? I know y'all know. You know why? Because you got too much in your space. That's minimalism. Oh, I need to take off my bag. But anyway, guys, we're going to talk about minimalism real quick. So, the reason why I chose minimalism, wait, I'm paying attention to traffic. It is freedom. I don't know how many times I gotta tell y'all that, but it's freedom. I'll tell y'all a little bit of my journey. First time home buyer, I was able to furnish people's homes because I had too much stuff. When I moved from that home, sold it, whatever, it was just too much stuff. I was able to give, and kept giving for a long time. So that's what started it too. And just knowing that the less things you have, the more peace you have. Can you imagine coming home every day, or you have a day off, and you look around, when you come home, you want to come home to peace. A lot of people can't come home to peace because They got tons and tons of clothes that they gotta wash. They got tons and tons of stuff they gotta get. They gotta be attentive to. You have to attend to it, meaning you have to dust it. You have to look at it, and it's like if you got so much that you gotta look at, it'll drive you crazy. I don't know about y'all. That is real. That will drive you nuts. So for me, less is more. And when I say less, it doesn't mean you don't have anything. Just take the things that you have, like look at your stuff. If you had to set it out, like I did with the vases. Something real small can take the place of something. And then you can add something that's big and get rid of something else. So that's what I mean when I say less is more. So just work on little things here and there, a little bit at a time. It doesn't come overnight. It's going to take you some time to be able to grasp this new way of life. That's what your clothes do. Not as women think you need. I got to have all these shoes. And most of that stuff comes from a lot of you watching other people, or you envy other people's lifestyle. Like, that's crazy. I'm not about to be having all these shoes and all these bags because so and so got them. There is no way. That's just, it's too much. That's too much in here. I got to be minimalist up here too. You know, that's another thing. You have to be minimal in your mindset and your thinking. If up here if it's a lot of stuff up here, what happens? It'll drive you crazy. So the less stuff you got up in here is your less problems that you have. So think about that as well. Don't just think of it as things. You can think of it as mental things too. If you're worried about everybody's business and you're not worried about your own business, that's weird. That is weird behavior. So look at it that way too. It's not just things, it's in your personal everyday life too. So whatever you can minimize, do it. Y'all, it brings you peace and it just brings you peace to a more minimal life set. It's a lifestyle. Y'all see, when I travel light with a lot. I can do a lot of things with a lot of less. You know, y'all get it. But I hope that answers somebody's question today about why do you do minimal. And y'all, had to change my hat too, because for some reason I don't know, it wasn't really going, but I like this better. But guys, I appreciate you all. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to share the video. And don't forget to come along the minimalist lifestyle journey. There's peace, there is freedom, and there is liberty. All right, with that being said, I will see you guys in another video really soon. All right, y'all. I love you. You know what? Let me take that back because I don't really know y'all. I like y'all and I appreciate y'all.